About the game. Keys and Kingdoms is an exciting world full of musical challenges, quests, and adventures. Everything inside the game is powered by the development of musical skills and abilities. The islands of Harmonia are under constant threat of darkness and destruction. Using your musical powers, players are called to bring light and hope back to the land once more. A powerful adaptive learning engine allows each player to progress at his or her own pace and works independently from the overall story arc. Innovative game features, such as hidden notes, highly incentivizes players to listen critically, which in turn rapidly trains their musical ear. Over 100 well-known classical and pop songs are available for each player. They can access their library of songs at any time by going to the grand piano in their virtual rooms. Creativity is a core feature of Keys and Kingdoms. In the game, players will discover both improvisation and composition games, allowing them to discover their true artist. Daily mini-games build up healthy habits and enhance core musical skills essential for success. Meet your favorite artists and perform with them on the biggest stages in the game. Kids love to play games while learning. Keys and Kingdoms is sure to bring endless hours of fun and excitement into your classroom.
Is that 5 stars? 5 stars? 5 stars? 5 stars?